Good morning students, welcome back. This video is for class 8 subject English grammar and it is taken from the book PC Renz. This is our chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter is Determiners. This is my lecture number 2. As I have already explained you the meaning and kinds of determiners in lecture 1. So, let's have quick recap of meaning and kinds of determiners. A determiner is a word which comes before a noun. I repeat it again. A determiner is a word which comes before a noun and limits the meaning of the noun or shows which person or thing is being referred. For example, the bunny went home. Here, bunny is noun and the is determiner. That is why the is used before the word bunny. Let's see the next example. Many kittens are taught to hunt by their mothers. Here, kittens word is noun and many is determiner. That is why many word is used before the word kittens. So, let's see how many kinds of determiners are there. Number 1, article. Number 2, demonstratives. Number 3, possessive. Number 4, numbers. Number 5, distributives. Number 6, quantifiers. I have already explained you two kinds of determiners, that is articles and demonstratives in lecture number 1. So today we shall cover the next two kinds of determiners in this lecture, that is possessive and quantifiers. Rest two kinds will be taught you in the next lecture. Function of possessive determiner. Possessives are the words that shows to us that to whom the thing or person belongs to. I repeat it again. Possessives are the words that shows to us that to whom the thing or person belongs to. My, your, her, its, their, etc. modify the noun following it in order to show possession. Possessive determiner is further divided into two parts: possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. Possessive adjectives follow as my, your, his, hers, its, our, their, etc. Possessive pronoun follow as mine, ours, hers, its, theirs, yours, etc. Possessive adjective is a part of determiners, as determiner is itself is an adjective. Let's see the meaning of possessive adjective. A possessive adjective is used to show the ownership on something or somebody. I repeat it again. A possessive adjective is used to show the ownership on something or somebody. For example, is it your water bottle? Your is possessive adjective. In this, we are asking question from the second person, that is showing the ownership that bottle belongs to you. Let's see the another example where are their notebooks. Basic features of possessive adjectives are: it is used in place of noun. For example, whose pen is this? Suppose this pen belongs to Ankit, then your answer will be, this is Ankit's pen. Suppose Ankit is standing with you, then your answer will be, it is his pen. Here, his is used in place of Ankit and Ankit is here noun. So in short, we can say all those words that are used in place of noun to show the ownership on someone or something are called possessive adjectives. Second feature is, it is always used before the noun. For example, is it your pencil? It is not my home. Where is her pencil? In these sentences, we can see that the possessive adjectives are used before the noun pencil and home. Number third feature is, possessive adjective let us know to whom the thing, person belongs to. It is my garden. Where is yours? Here, my is possessive adjective, but here yours is possessive pronoun. And it is totally different from possessive adjective. Number fourth feature is, it is found at two places. Either it is placed at the beginning or at the mid part of the sentence. For example, it is my purse. My purse is on the table. In the first sentence, possessive adjective is used in the mid part of the sentence, while in the second sentence, it is used in the beginning of the sentence. That is the part of subject. Possessive adjectives are divided into two parts. Singular comes, his is used for boy, her is used for girl, you is second person, it is used for non-living thing, my is first person. While plural comes, your second person, ours first person, their third person. Exception. Remember, your is used as singular and plural both. For example, Khushi, is it your pencil? Number 2, boys, where are your papers? In the first sentence, we have used your for single person, and in the second sentence, we have used your for many boys. Let's see the next kind of determiner, that is quantifiers. The meaning of quantifiers is, they modify a noun to indicate its quantity. I repeat it again. They modify a noun to indicate its quantity. For example, I have some money, but not a lot of it. Here, money is noun and some is determiner, quantifier determiner, and it is indicating the quantity of noun. Let's see the another example. Few persons can keep a secret. Noun is further divided into two parts, countable noun and uncountable noun. And quantifiers are further divided into two parts, large quantity and small quantity. In countable noun, the quantifiers are many, few, each every, several. And in uncountable noun, the quantifiers are much, little, a bit. All, enough, some, any, a lot of, lots, etc. are used with both uncountable and countable nouns. Uses of some. Number 1. It is used in affirmative sentences. The meaning of affirmative is positive sentences with uncountable and plural countable nouns. For example, I need some sugar. Here sugar is plural uncountable noun and some is quantifier determiner, and the sentence is affirmative sentence. That is why some is used here. Number 2 use. It can be used in a question when a positive reply is expected. For example, I need some volunteers. This is a question and I want a positive reply. That is why some is used here. Uses of any. Number 1. In questions where you ask if something exists. For example, do you have any doubt? Number 2. In negative sentences, to say that something does not exist. For example, I do not have any money, and it is a negative sentence. That is why any is used before noun. Number 3. In affirmative sentences, before plural nouns and uncountable nouns, to refer a quantity which may or may not exist. I am repeating it again. In affirmative sentences, before plural nouns and uncountable nouns, to refer to a quantity which may or may not exist. Use of much. Much is mostly used with negative and interrogative sentences. It means a large quantity. It is an uncountable noun, and uncountable nouns are always in the singular form. For example, I don't have much time. Use of many. Many is used for large number. It is used with plural countable nouns. I repeat it again. Many is used for large number. It is used with plural countable nouns. For example, many students are absent. Here students are plural countable nouns. That is why many is used with it. Use of most. Most indicates nearly all of a group or a amount. I repeat it again. Most indicates nearly all of a group or a amount. For example, most of the money has been spent. Use of enough. It is used before uncountable noun and plural countable noun. It means that the quantity required or necessary. I am repeating it again. It is used before uncountable noun and plural countable noun. It means that the quantity required or necessary. For example, this room is not enough for us. Use of a little. A little is used with singular uncountable nouns. I'm repeating it again. A little is used with singular uncountable nouns. It is used with positive quantity. It means the same as, a small amount of, or some. For example, I add a little means a small amount milk to my coffee. And here milk is a noun, that's why a little is used before it. Use of little. Little is used with negative quantity. It means almost nothing or not much. It is used with uncountable nouns. I am repeating it again. Little is used with negative quantity. It means almost nothing or not much. It is used with uncountable nouns. For example, there is little milk left. So here we are putting stress that only small amount is left. That is why little is used here. Use of the little. The little is negative. It means the same as, not much. And it is used with something definite. It is used with singular countable noun. I am repeating it again. The little is negative. It means the same as, not much. And it is used with something definite. It is used with singular countable nouns. For example, give me the little rice you have. Use of few. Few represents a negative quantity or shortage. It is used with plural countable nouns. It means not many, not enough. I am repeating it again. Few represents a negative quantity or shortage. It is used with plural countable nouns. It means not many, not enough. For example, few students are present. Here I am emphasizing on the number of students. Use of a few. A few represents a positive quantity. It is used with plural countable nouns. It means some or a small amount. I am repeating it again. A few represents a positive quantity. It is used with plural countable nouns. It means some or a small amount. For example, I need a few children for the project. Here, my aim is to discuss project. For that, I need a few children or a few students. Because I don't want to emphasize on this number. Because project is important, not number of students. Use of the few. The few is used with plural countable nouns. It means not many, but all there are. I am repeating it again. The few is used with plural countable nouns. It means not many, but all there are. For example, the few friends I had have left me. Use of a lot of. A lot of is used with all types of nouns. It means a large number or amount. I am repeating it again. A lot of is used with all types of nouns. It means a large number or amount. For example, there are a lot of eggs in the fridge. Means a large number of amount. That is why a lot of is used. Children, you have to complete the homework on the basis of the topic explained by me. And your homework is revise possessive and quantifiers determiners from the book or video, and based on the understanding of the topic, do exercises mentioned in the book PC Wren's Grammar as. Page number 16 and 17. Exercise number 4, 5 and 6. Since you are not having your PC Wren's grammar book, so here in this video, I have mentioned your homework in detail. You must note it down on an A4 size sheet, and after that, make a folder of your grammar exercises. I am just simply reading the questions. You must to note down it on A4 size sheet and solve it on the basis of your understanding. Exercise number 4. Insert a little or the little, whichever is suitable, in the sentences follow as. Exercise number 5. Insert a few or the few, whichever is suitable, in the sentences follow as. Exercise number 6. Fill in the blanks with a little or a few in the sentences follow as. Exercise number 1, 2 and 3. These are extra exercises. It is not in your book. It is given by me. Exercise number 1 is fill in the blanks with correct quantifiers given in the brackets. Exercise number 2 is fill in the blanks with some, any, or a lot of in the sentences follow as. Exercise number 3 is fill in the blanks by choosing correct possessive adjectives given in the brackets. That's all for today. This is the end of the lecture. At last, I would like to say that complete your homework on the basis of your understanding in neat and clean handwriting by following the correct format. Thank you and have a nice day.